Alright guys, welcome back to the layout. So right now what I'm doing is packing up my Craftsman kits, and as you can see I'm keeping them all by manufacturer right now, and taking pictures and inventorying everything that goes in the boxes. Now with these kits, since some of them are wood, some of them like these right here are hydrocal, you got to keep them in a temperature controlled environment. So these will be stored accordingly. But I actually have Home Depot boxes for these, and once I inventory them, then they go in the boxes. There's some of my kits from Monster Model Works, so those will all go in there. And I'm going to pack these in the Home Depot boxes, and then I'm going to get another longer box for these types of kits that are in softer packaging. So we'll see you at the next installment. Alright guys, in addition to packing these kits up, one important thing you have to do is make sure you label your boxes, what's in it. So I know that the Home Depot boxes are all for my Craftsman kits, but you still have to label the box, obviously. Now I also have the fine scale miniature kits and also South River model kits. Now these kits have a little bit more weight to them because all the castings, and these boxes here are pretty heavy. So Home Depot also has these heavier duty plastic boxes. So this is what I'm using for those kits. So just as another idea when you pack up your stuff. Alright, and these are about $10 a piece, so a little on the pricey side, but they hold a lot of weight. Alright, so I'll see you at the next installment. Alright guys, welcome back. So the packing process continues for my layout. Right now I'm packing up all my locomotives. They're going back in the original boxes. I do have some modern stuff that I packed up already. So I try to save all my boxes for my rolling stock and locomotive, so it's easier to go back in the original containers. So as I continue to pack this up, this is a process I really am not enjoying right now, tearing down this layout. So, but as the process continues, I'll provide more updates. So this week I'll be doing most of the buildings will be packed up this week, and I'm going to do the final run, and then by the end of next week this layout will be gone. So see you at the next update. Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing a quick update on where I am with the layout. Get ready to pack up some buildings, and using some bubble wrap I got from Home Depot. Now this building needs some repair, so I took all the parts that they needed to come off of it and put them in a bag so that they're safe and organized. And basically what I'm doing is just give it a nice just wrapping it up. Basically just wrapping it just like a present. I don't know when the next time I'm going to have, when I'm going to open this again. Probably when I'm building a new layout. But obviously you need to protect it from that time being. Gotta get a bigger box for it. That's basically it for this building. See you at the next one. See you at the next update, rather. So we just lost power because of a winter storm here, so still have to pack the layout up. So I got the lanterns out and continuing on. So here we go. All right, guys, welcome back. So as I continue my quest of packing this layout, I'm going to be packing up the Waterbury Pen Company, and you probably saw this in RMC back in December of 2017, but it's time to pack it up. So I want to show you how I packed this particular model. I didn't think I was going to be moving it again, but I'm glad I saved the case. So it's a toolbox case that has foam cutouts in it, and I cut it out to the actual model. So very gently I'm going to pick it up. Drop it in, or place it in the case, nice and easy. Okay. So as you can tell, it's in the case. Make sure it's sitting properly. So I got this piece here. It's going to go right there. And then what I do is just put these little pieces all over just so it keeps it stable. Let's see. Put that one right in there. Done. And that's how you pack a kit. So hopefully this is the last time I gotta move this kit. All right. So I'll see you at the next installment of packing my layout. It is an absolute disaster in here right now. I am not enjoying this, not one bit. So see you at the next update.